The homeless hare tries to trick the fox into smelling various things such as pot root, cabbage, and molasses. He tries to smell them all, but the fox notices his hidden appearance and invites him to stay for dinner. The homeless hare is warned not to trust the fox, as he is often cunning creature. A mentally peace voice warns the homeless hare not do something, while coffee pot and rubber ball warn him not to play. The tea kettle, excited, remind him not to stay in the fox den. Despite warning, the homeless hare entered the fox den, and the table is spread for three. Mrs. Fox, grateful for company, explained that the hare is not gracious host. The homeless hare was seated in the den when the fox approached him. Examining his new necktie, the table was destroyed and the hare thought his end had come. The shot was fired. The fox ran back into another part of the den. After the hunter passes by, the homeless hare escaped, realizing that the friend is need is a friend indeed. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. For more videos, visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel.